We'll give you one chance to stop. Shoot. Who take the shot? Oh, shit. Just so you know, you can't flank around behind us in the trench.
Roger.
That's not confident.
No, I know. But that's true. It's not
Don't
easy
turn
to
the ball or just spray the whole way.
It's not easy to get up back there.
Yeah, exactly.
So they wouldn't have been able to do that special effort.
Well, it echoed a little bit.
Yeah, the handgun as well.
Take another step, I dare you. Yep. Shoot the wood so they think you know what. We know where they are.
I don't even know if it's recording, but it's fucking epic. Is the light blinking up there?
Yep, copy that. Shoot.
It's Billy. That's the other way. That's a lot more.
You shoot. Right there.
Yeah.
Shoot it. You want to get out of the trench?
No.
Move up to the tree line. It'll be easier.
Alright.
Here. We're moving up to the tree line, just so you know, so we're not going to cheat. Tell them to hold their fire. Hold your fire, we're getting into the tree line. Put up your hand, just so you know.
He's on the right. Yeah, it's flank.
Our guns are up, ceasefire, we're going to the tree line.
Yeah, he's center. He's right. Yeah. There he is. I see him. There's Coop.
We'll tell you when we're behind tree lines, alright?
There's fucking Coop right there. Shit. That's fuck. Coop, he's literally just following us at this point. Oh, he's jumping down into the shithole.
You guys want to push back a bit? You guys want to push back a bit? We don't have any trees to hide behind. Just push back like 30 feet or so. Just push back like 30 feet so we can get some trees. Are you guys gonna go back? Just so we can get a tree line so we can get some cover. We're like out in the open air. Huh? We have a little too much cover there, let's just say.
If you were being tricked, we would have already shot you.
Yeah, we
had perfect shots on both of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had perfect shots on you guys. That's why we were getting out. It's a little too... We were too covered there. Alright? Alright. Just go back a bit. Just to back a bit.
Yep.
Am I right?
Yep. Get him. Shit, we should have brought the bomb.
You good?
Yeah. It's actually a better position.
It is?
Sort of. Better visibility. Clear line of attack. Yeah. I'll be right here.
You're clear.
She's going.
You're good. Oh, gun's jammed.
Fuck. Here, you need a gun.
Here. Good. Just be stuck in it.
You need a spare gun, handgun right here.
Alright, cool.
Coop moving, left to right.
Shoot him down if you can.
No clear shot.
What'd you say?
Your puny bullets did nothing.
Hell of a bluff.
The radio is flipping.
You gotta go in pirate style.
Once I hit to like those 20s, we're good. I have freaking 12 grams in there.
Alright.
You gotta get up the tree line, dude.
Yeah.
This is bad.
I'll give you cover and fire.
Got Coop shoot.
Nope, negative.
Charlie, see a shield. Fucking fall out of it. You don't have to if you don't want it. Mine's just a little less powerful.
Fucking do it. You're probably like, what the fuck's going on right now?
Shield, moving up!
Now or
No,
now?
no. Shit.
Handgun, right there.
Why use full auto?
We won't. Turn on. Yeah.
Just use the full auto.
We'll stop.
Shield, right there.
I gotta go out.
Go, go.
Surrendering. I got no ammo already.
Handgun. Something.
Ooh.
Go.
Yeah.
Shield, right there.
Yeah. I'm surrendering out. Spudo is not. I'm out of ammo.
Hey, give me the handgun. Give me the handgun.
Here, just take this. I'm gonna go with that. Here, actually, here, I'll take this too. We'll take it. Here. I'm gonna try to get more. I'm coming over to you. Wait, no, that one.
Yeah.
Here, I'll get out of your fire lane.
Whew. Fucking fly. All right. Then surrender to me! Surrender to the SS!
Oh. Oh, hit! Ow, fuck. Yeah, I'm hit. Ow, hit me right in the back of the neck.
You didn't see me there? I was still there.
Yeah, I saw you there. Oh. Ow.
You alright?
Yeah, you hit me right in the back of the neck with that one.
How many did I hit you? More than one?
No.
I just realized I had a speed water. Because I was shooting and I was like, what the fuck? No, you're hit. I think I'm going to use your other one.
Okay. I gotta reload. Holy shit. I made a run for it. I don't know if you saw me or not.
So how'd that hold up? I get shot on that?
Oh,
No bullets. When I ran over, I saw bullets hitting this, and I'm like hiding behind it.
It worked really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really nice.
Good.
I gotta reload my gun.
All I see is freaking. I had a thing. If you notice these lines right here in it, I had a thing that went over your head as well. And you put your gun through it, and it was also a piece of plexiglass you can shoot through. I usually catch it down there. The whole time I see freaking bullets whizzing by.
Bullets were whizzing by my head with that pistol up.
I know. Yeah, and bullets were freaking whizzing by me. I was at the tree. You remember when I wasn't moving that from that tree?
Yeah. All right.
All I saw was freaking bullets.
That works great though. Oh shit.
Here's your magazine.